So, it's a brief story or a brief run over of what Muhoozi has been doing on the platform known as X, that is formerly Twitter. Muhoozi started by saying nobody has been more loyal to the British Crown than me. An officer they trained themselves 26 years ago, yet they have never asked me to visit London for a cup of tea. Why? Are they afraid of us? Then he went ahead to go on a spree of attacks on National Unity Platform and also Forum for Democratic Change Party. He started by saying, for no, I can only promise maximum death. Uganda is mine. You will do nothing here without my involvement. He added, I arrested and kept in prison that old man Besigye. He was always weakling. Then he went ahead also to say that I arrested and kept in prison that old man Besigye. He was weakling. I think I've repeated myself. And the next thing was, he said, Kabobi. The next is Kabobi. That one will be castrated. That one we will castrate unless he runs as usual. You see? He's saying, unless Muhoozi runs as usual, he's going to castrate Muhoozi. I mean to say, Bobi Wine. Castration is a removal of the testicle of a male organism. So he's saying he's going to castrate Bobi Wine. Yeah. Muhoozi said, I won't let Kabobi stand in the next elections. Not at all. That is a promise. He added that if anybody registers themselves as nope, without my permission, they will be in big problem. Then also he went ahead to say, all no candidates must report to my office for clearance. Muhoozi added, which is also the last now we are extracting, but there were a lot of statements that he said. He said, I say again, for clarity's sake, all commanders of the security services are allowed to shoot to kill anybody in a red uniform. So, red uniform, it was not specified. Any red uniform, whether you're a pupil, student, and the rest, shoot to kill order has been given to all commanders of the security services. So that is it. That's what we have. Thank you.